Welcome to the tutorial session of first autonomous flight. Enter a valid email ID and password to login. Create new project. Proceed by connecting to your drone device. Select TCP port settings to move further. Enter valid details, project name, client name, plan name. Select the location of the area you need to fly the drone. AeroGCS KEA gives multiple mission options to perform. Depending on the mission type, you can select the mission. Select appropriate altitude and speed of the flight. Manually mark up waypoints for the area in which you want to fly the drone. Proceed with marking fence points. Now save the updated details. Enable uploading plan on your device. Enable uploading terrain data. After all the details have been updated, click on Takeoff. AeroGCS KEA will automatically tick on flight pre-checks. After successful pre-checks, proceed by taking off the drone flight. To enable live tracking sync project, or you can directly continue to fly. Flight is now ready to fly. Below bar shows complete details of the flight. Location, direction, satellite, distance, speed, battery life, time and more. Once the autonomous flight is completed, drone will return back to its original position. After returning to home location, drone would automatically make a safe landing. The altitude would drop as the drone comes closer to the land and disarm itself. Thank you for watching AeroGCS KEA tutorial video.